Hello, welcome to Valucop YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and also the like button. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. So I would like to show you what a trust wallet is and what you can use trust wallet for. Trust wallet is a non-custodial wallet that can use to store your tokens and your coins. You can use it to receive your tokens and your coins. It can also send tokens and coins away from trust wallet to exchanges or to whomever you want to send some tokens for. So trust wallet, for every time you send out tokens from trust wallet, it will cost you gas fee. That is some earth. It costs you a little bit of earth to send tokens away from trust wallet. Now we are on the token tab of trust wallet. When I say when I say non-custodial, what I mean by non-custodial is that the creators of trust wallet do not have access to your funds. They do not have access to your funds in trust wallet. So you're in an exchange, for example, or like it's a centralized exchange. If you lose access to your wallet, if you lose access to the exchange, all you have to do is contact support and it will take you the process of recovering your account. But in non-custodial wallet, for example, or decentralized exchanges, if you lose access to your wallet, that's in the sense that you didn't save those recovery phrases, recovery words, or security key that you use to secure your account, you lose access to the funds in that your wallet forever. So it's very important that you safeguard those recovery phrases that you saw when you were creating your wallet newly. So it's very important that you keep those things safe, recovery phrases, keys, and all that very safe. So on a trust wallet, like I said, use it to receive and store your tokens and all that. Let's just say, for example, that you sent a token to your trust wallet and you couldn't find it. All you have to do is just come to this place up here and click it. When you click it, all you have to do is to type for the coin. You search for the coin. Let's just say you're looking for which coin will I use now? You're looking for Atom, for example. That's Cosmos. Now you found Atom, you can activate Atom. When you activate Atom and you go back, you will see that Atom would have been added to Atom will be added to display. Then you can see Atom here. You can see Atom here. Atom has been added to display. So if in case you can't find your token, you can do that. Another way to add your token, you can add your token by adding it manually using the contract address. If you have the contract address of the token, you can click add custom token, and you paste the contract address, you paste it here, and the name will automatically appear with the symbol and with the decimals. Automatically appear, and then you click done. The token will appear in your trust wallet. So another thing to do with your trust wallet is you can stake with your trust wallet. So how do you do that? You come to finance up here. You see up here, you come to finance. We're on tokens tab, and when you come to finance, you will see the coins that are stakeable. You see Tezos, you see Tron, you see Cosmos, you see Algorand, you see Kava. These coins are stakeable. You can see how to stake them. Like each of them have a procedure of staking them. Like if you're going to stake this one now, you see, you just click on this 3 buttons here and you will see stake, and then you follow the prompts and stake your TRX, Same for Cosmos, Atom, same for Algorand, same for Kava, and same for Tezos. So now for collectibles, for those into NFTs, you can receive your NFTs into Trust Wallet too. You just click receive and you copy your address and you receive your NFTs. You can also open your collectibles website. Just click open and you see this is the marketplace where you can sell your NFTs. As you can see now, NFTs are becoming a very big market these days. So now going back, we've seen tokens tab, finance tab, collectibles tab. Now let's just say you have centralized applications or you have some websites. You can come to these 4 boxes below and it will open you up to what we call the app browser. This is the app browser up here. So you just paste your link and it opens up the browser. It automatically links the app web link and your Trust Wallet, and links your Trust Wallet, your Ethereum wallet to that app. You can use some of those the app link, centralized app link or centralized link. You can't use it on a normal browser. You have to use it on the app browser, which is found in a wallet like Trust Wallet. Now these are different apps. You have PancakeSwap, the bank, and the rest. Each of them have different purposes that they serve. Then we have DEXs, decentralized exchanges. One of the most popular these days is Uniswap, and then we have Uniswap exchange and the likes. So each of these have something that they are serving. They have something that they are all serving. So this is the app browser. This is the app browser, and then Trust Wallet also have it has a swap place. You can swap one coin for the other. It also has an exchange whereby the base token is BNB. Use BNB to trade other coins. So this is a summary, a brief explanation of what to expect on a Trust Wallet and how to use it. Then we have in the settings part, you can increase security of your Trust Wallet by putting a passcode, and you can put in a passcode. In advanced settings, you can select your lock mode, put a biometric, only your fingerprint can open it, or do you want it to automatically lock every time you leave there? You can do transaction signing. For every time you do a transaction, it will demand that you sign the transaction. So you can increase your security like that within the settings. So this is simply a brief explanation about Trust Wallet. If you have any question, you can ask it. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave your questions and leave your comments, and use the relevant links beneath this video that will help you.